Look at this. It's mad. Alright, welcome to the Lake District. It's my first time riding here, and today we're going to be doing the Keld and Loughrigg terrace ride. It should be a good one. Weather's nice, and today is the first day in the UK that pubs and shops are allowed to reopen, April 12th. So everyone is inside. Well, not inside, but at the pubs and not out on the trails, so hopefully not too many people in the way. Totally just slid around that corner. And yeah, we started at Rydal and then just cruised down some lovely country lanes, and then did a pretty steep climb. But the climb then mellowed out as we got a bit higher up and gave way to some lovely views. And yeah, now we're just descending. And we want to turn left there. Really nice descent so far. That was quite techy. And another gate.
Yeah, so there's the Langdale pipes up on the right.
Yeah.
And up on one of them, in the centre, they found what's essentially an axe head
Right.
manufacturing facility where they took the flint out, shaped them into axes, then exported them. And it was believed about sort of 9,000–10,000 years ago.
Oh, cool.
And they found the axes in the south of Britain, the axe heads.
Huh. Oh, best not to fall in the stream. That's quite steep down here. Oh man, I was just hoping I could stop after those slabs before going face first into this gate. Alright, I think we've got a little bit of road work here, and then we're back and going up that hill in front of me. Oh no. Just passing through Skeleth Bridge. Oh, that road climb was a bit more tiring than I anticipated. So we got off the road and climbing up Keld now. That was tough. That was tricky. I think it mellows out a bit from here. Not quite as steep. Avoid the ice. Yes. Nailed it. These slabs are so much fun to climb. Oh, so I've just spotted a natural rock roll off to the left of the trail, so I think I'm going to go give it a go. Be my first rock roll. Let's see how it goes. Easy. This ride has just been fantastic so far. It's got stunning scenery. Trails have been great. Certainly helps that the weather is great as well. This is just so nice. The ideal mountain biking experience. Alright, so got to the top. We've got a little bit of a descent down now. Just looking for a stream as well to refill my water with the water filter. Oh, that looks tacky. Not too steep so far, but very loose and technical. Look at this. It's mad. These slabs are so much fun to ride. Tell you what, full suspension bike down here would be quite nice. Oh, just realised I did that whole section with my suspension locked out. That'd be why it was quite rough. So, just finished our lunch break. Real nice, just chilling in the sun. Had a Jamaican chicken patty, which is basically just like a Cornish pasty but with Jamaican chicken inside, and also a ham, cheddar and spring onion sandwich and a Snickers. And then we've still got a packet of Jaffa cakes for later in the ride, so yeah, well fueled. Ooh. Tell you what, even road sections are nice when you got views like this. That's a cool little building there. Looks like an old barn. Plenty of sheep around. We're back off road. There we go. That looks so sharp and loose. Oh, you can just hear how much they're moving around beneath me. It's quite musical in a way. Oh, this is sick. Riding down through some old woodland, slate quarry on either side. So cool. This valley is stunning. Trying to sort of look ahead so that I can make some sort of line choice rather than just sort of cracking on into whatever I hit, but you really do have to pay attention to what your tyre is rolling over. You can only sort of have a quick glance ahead every now and then. Right, wasn't too bad. That's a sketch. My God, that was intense. Alright, let's go for a little bit of a follow cam down here. You got control of your back wheel there? Nope. Made it.
Straight on?
Yeah. That was fun. Yeah. Just riding through the lovely little village of Elterwater. We've stayed in a cottage near here a few times in the past, so vaguely familiar. There we go. April 12th, everyone enjoying the pubs. Oh, so just climbed up the hill next to Elterwater. Nothing too interesting, just sort of a nice, pleasant road climb. And that was basically our last climb. We've got one more, but it's a really small one. All right, I think this should be quite a nice, long, fast descent. Looking forward to it. Apparently I did this descent a few times when I was a kid, but I have no recollection of it. Probably will have done it a little bit slower back then. Only problem is you don't really get to look at the view because too busy focusing on not falling off. Thank you. Thanks. Alright, gonna have another go. Slightly different line this time. There we go. Yeah.
Well, that marks the end of the ride. It was just a short cycle from there to the car. And yeah, what a ride it was. Great experience and a fantastic route. I think the remoteness of the trails and the beautiful weather really showed off the beauty of the Lake District. So I'll have another couple of videos coming out in the Lake District as well, so make sure to check those out. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.